So I've now got the indicators for the bike. Just got them on the toolbox here. Some nice LED indicators. So I'm just going to be mounting these straight onto the side of these Dominator spot headlights. To do that, these have got like a nut welded in there, so I'm going to drill them out bigger, or drill them completely off, whatever happens once I start drilling, and then I'm going to fasten them indicators straight onto the sides. So just as I thought, that's come off on the end of the drill bit. To get something to get that off with. Just going to grip them with the pliers, that with the pliers, and reverse the drill. Fits perfect. Just going to put a touch of Loctite on there. So I'm going to order some more bits and bobs. I'll get a few more jobs done and then I'll be back with another video.